back, everybody. Welcome to Homegrown Homestead, and my name is Liz. Today we're going to prep some items for Russ's lunch. We're going to cut up some fruit. Then I went to the pantry and the freezer and got some items ready to make tuna casserole. He loves tuna casserole, so that's what you're going to see today. Then lasagna. I'll show you that in a different video. And then I also start with homemade bread. It's kind of like sourdough the way it bakes. It's that artisan bread, and I'll walk you through that process. And then at the very end I have to make some more room air freshener, lavender and lemon. I just love that stuff. I can't get enough. All right, here we go. From the pantry, in the freezer, I got some ground beef, some chopped up peppers that I did last year. Then I have fire roasted tomatoes. I think those are from Aldi's and I need to get more. Cream of mushroom soup, cream of chicken, what are that? 2 containers of chicken breast. I forgot to mention this is also to make chicken pot pie. A large can of tomato sauce. If I don't have homemade, that's my favorite kind. And there's the 2 cans of tuna. And then I also have in the next screen, I'm going to use these up. I don't really like using steamed vegetables because I like the ease of having them steamed, but I've used them to get them out of the pantry. I don't want them to get old. And then we wash dishes again. That's a never-ending thing.
Riding waves, jumping out of airplanes, spinning down, erasing all your memories, lying on my shoulder, worrying about your mother. Found your head rolling down the alley.
Couldn't find the good old egg noodles. Those are our favorite, so I'm just going to use the large shells. They're really for salads, but they were just fine. Would I use them again? Not really, because we'd rather have the egg noodles. So now I'm just prepping the water.
Sacrificed too many moments, another grain of sand in the ocean. You decorate your door, you tell me that it's always open.
where we're gonna start adding in our cream of mushroom, our milk, our peas. I also had peas in the freezer upstairs, and then the tuna. But first I have to drain the tuna. I usually let it sit there in the strainer for like 45 minutes, an hour, and it's great because then I don't have any extra water.
Mining for jewels in the mountains, and no one in town wants to buy them. And time gets you thinking, thinking gets you crying. back home to me.
Some people use potato chips to put on the top. That's fine. I actually like panko breadcrumbs. It gets a little crunchier and not so heavy with like chips are oily. These are just nice and buttery. I am a big fan of the panko breadcrumbs.
Till you're in my arms, a place that you can call your home. Come back home to me. Shelter from the storm, I'll keep you safe and warm. Out here for as long as you want, brick by brick, we lay the bones to this old place. Memories I won't let ever fade. Come back home to me. Done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Now I'm going to start the bread. I think I let it rise for 18 hours. I'll show you that in another video. You could go 24. I don't know. 24 is just fine. It's the one of those where it has to rise between 12 and 24 hours. And so this, I haven't made it in a while, and it was starting to get a little humid, so I thought I'd try it. It tasted delicious, I'll just tell you that now, but it didn't rise as much. But you'll see that in the next video.
And it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you? But do you want to come on? I scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. Spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need here to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.
So now that it's baked, I would just technically let it cool and then put some in a nice Tupperware container for Russ to reheat. So I thought I'd have my lunch, and I took a little scoop out. It was really, really hot. And it tasted just fine. Yes, I would still prefer the eggshell noodles, but this did the trick. I've showed this in the past where you used distilled water. It's really alcohol, but I want to use up my witch hazel, so it still works. Lemon and lavender, and I don't remember if there's anything else in it. If anyone's interested in the concoction, just let me know. And thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and see you in the next video.
If she's lonely now, she won't be lonely long. Heaven help the fool who did her wrong. It's too late, too bad, she's too far gone. He should have thought of that before he left her all alone. If she's lonely now, she won't be lonely long. Something about the way she's blushing, you can tell she isn't sure. Let you know she's up to something she's never done before. Tonight she wants to hold a stranger, but not the one at home. If she's lonely now, she won't be lonely long. Heaven help the fool who did her wrong. It's too late, too bad, she's too far gone. He should have thought of that before he left her all alone. If she's lonely now, she won't be lonely long. If I had a woman like that, man, I'd let her know. I'd hold her tight, I'd hold her close, do anything, do everything